Hello everyone, welcome to my fourth programming tutorial on Python programming language. In this programming tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add comments onto your program. Now as a programmer, it is very important that you understand programs maintainability. It means how your program can be understood better, how you can maintain it, and how you can even enhance it. So I'm going to show you the three ways of adding comments onto your program. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to open a new programming file. So file, new, or press Ctrl N, and you will be having untitled program window open. Now to add comments, it's very simple. So first of all, we're going to look at simple comments. So to do the simple comments, you put a hashtag and then you write the comment. So for example, you'll write the name of the author, right? Probably the purpose of code. So what your code is doing. You might want to add date last modified and any other general comments. So when you open this program after a month or 2 months or even a year, you'll be able to see who has written this program and what is the purpose of this code, when was it last modified, and any general comments. So this is the one way of adding comments, so which we call as simple comments. So it just starts with the hashtag, and you probably might have noticed that as soon as I press a hash key there, you'll see that the whole line turns red, and that's the indication in Python programming language that they are comments and it won't affect your code while running. I'm going to show you the next way of adding comment. So for example, I've written here x equals to 10, y equals to 20, and I'm going to write print addition of two numbers. I'm going to write x plus y. Now this is fairly straightforward, that you can see that I'm adding two numbers and displaying it. But say for example, if this was a complicated line, then you might want to add comments within that line, and this is known as inline comments. So after writing your line, you'll write down with the hashtag, you can add any comments. So I'm going to add here this code, or this line of code will add two values and display the outcome. I'm going to show you, although this is my comment, it's not going to affect the actual code. I'm going to run it. So run module F5. I need to save this file, and I'm going to save it on my desktop. I'm going to call it Python comments. And you'll see it says addition of two numbers without displaying any of the lines with my comments. Right? Now we have seen two types of comment, which are simple comments using hashtags and using hashtag inline comments after any line of code. Now the last one I want to show you are the block comments. Say for example, here we are using 4 times you're using the hash key, but all these lines or multiple lines, when you've got like multiple lines as comments, you can use an easier method, which is using the speech marks. So if I start my any lines with 3 speech marks, you can see everything has turned into green. So it means everything which is written after this 3 speech marks is part of comment. But I want my comment to just stop here, so I just can end that using the 3 speech marks again. And as soon as I do that, the first 4 lines are part of now comment, and this is known as block comments, and rest everything is your normal code apart from this line, which is your inline comment. Now let's see if this works. So I'm just going to go and run, and F5, you can see that it gives me the addition of two numbers 30. So the first 4 lines are considered as block comments. So we start these block comments using 3 speech marks, double speech marks, and then end it with 3 double speech marks. I hope you found this video tutorial very useful. For more such videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.